Welcome to Mathsistic. Learn all about mathematics. Classes 6 to 12. In this session, we will be discussing all the formulas from the chapter Fractions in one shot from class 6. Definition: a fraction is a number representing part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or group of objects. A fraction means a part of a group or of a region. Example: 5 by 12 is equal to 5 twelfths or 5 by 12. 5 is the numerator while 12 is the denominator. Fraction on the number line: 0 by 5 is 0, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5 is 1, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5 is 2, 11 by 5, 12 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, 15 by 5 is equal to 3, 16 by 5, 17 by 5 and so on. 0 by 5 is equal to 0, 0 by 7 is equal to 0 and 0 by 100 is equal to 0. What does that mean? Yes, when the numerator is 0, the answer is also 0. Now, 5 by 5 is equal to 1. 6 by 6 is also equal to 1. Now what does this mean? Yes, when the numerator and denominator are the same numbers, then you get the answer as 1. Fractions are of three types: proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. Proper fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is always smaller than the denominator. Examples are 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 12, etc. Improper fractions. In improper fractions, numerator is always bigger than the denominator. Examples are 5 by 2, 4 by 3, 12 by 5, etc. Mixed fractions. A mixed fraction has a combination of a whole and a part. Examples are 5 1 by 2, 6 3 by 4, 8 5 by 12, etc. Conversion from mixed fraction to improper fraction. 2 3 by 4 can be written as 4 into 2 plus 3 by 4, which is equal to 11 by 4. Similarly, 6 7 by 5 can be written as 5 into 6 plus 7 by 5, which is equal to 37 by 5. Still not able to follow? Let me make it a little more simpler for you guys. First step is to multiply. Multiply 2 into 4. Then the second step is to add. Here 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Note that the denominator never changes. So, the answer is 11 by 4. 2 3 by 4 can be simplified and written as 2 plus 3 by 4. Similarly, 6 7 by 5 can be simplified and written as 6 plus 7 by 5. Conversion from improper fraction to mixed fraction. Let's take the example of 17 by 4, which can be written in terms of mixed fraction as 4 1 by 4. Here 17 is divided by 4 and hence it is written in the format QR by D. Q here is the quotient while D is the divisor and R is the remainder. Equivalent fractions. Divide or multiply both the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by the same number. Let's take the example example of 1 by 3. Equivalent fractions for 1 by 3 can either be received by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2, which is equal to 2 by 6, or we can receive the equivalent fraction by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 3, which is equal to 3 by 9. Similarly, taking the example of 12 by 15, here we can divide the numerator and denominator by 3, hence receiving an equivalent fraction of 4 by 5. Addition and subtraction with a common denominator. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. Simply add the numerator and write the common denominator. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Here, simply subtract the numerator and write the common denominator. Addition and subtraction with uncommon denominator. 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 into 2 by 3 into 2 plus 3 into 3 by 2 into 3, which is equal to 2 by 6 plus 9 by 6, which is equal to 11 by 6. Here, take LCM and add. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 into 5 by 2 into 5 minus 1 into 2 by 5 into 2, which is equal to 5 by 10 minus 2 by 10, which is equal to 7 by 10. Here, take the LCM and subtract. Simplest form. Numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. 8 by 24 is equal to 4 by 12, which is equal to 2 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 3. Here, divide by HCF. Fractions can again be divided into two types, like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions, fractions with same denominators. Examples: 1 by 15, 3 by 15, 5 by 15, etc. Unlike fractions, fractions with different denominators. Example: 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 12, etc. Which is greater? If the numerator is the same in two fractions, then the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater of the two. 1 by 8 with a smaller denominator is greater than 1 by 10. 3 by 5 with a smaller denominator is greater than 3 by 7. 4 by 9 with a smaller denominator is greater than 4 by 11. If this is still difficult for you, let me give you a steady tip. Imagine you are having a big pizza. You and your best friend is sharing. You will have a bigger portion of the pizza slice, right? But when two more of your friends join you, the size of your pizza reduces, right? Yes, in the first situation, the pizza was divided into half, that is 1 by 2. But when two more friends came in, you had to divide the pizza into 4 equal halves, that is 1 by 4. Here, 1 by 2 has the smaller denominator, but still it gives you a bigger portion than 1 by 4. Yes, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.